ASL fingerspelling secrets I wish I'd been taught. Double letters. When you are fingerspelling a word that has two of the same letters next to each other, you can either do a slight bounce or a small slide. This can vary based on which feels most comfortable for that particular letter. The key to this is to remember that we're talking about half an inch of movement. That means if there is one double letter in the word, the whole word, including the first double letter, will all be signed in one spot. You'll move over a half inch by sliding or bouncing, and then sign the second of the double letters and everything else in that second position. There should be no other movement. Let's start with some examples. For the first one, we'll use the word fingerspelling. Fingerspelling. Okay, so notice that I signed all of fingerspelling up until the second double letter was when I'm actually moved over. So I can do a slide, okay, fingerspelling. I can also do a little bounce. I can do fingerspelling. So either way would be correct. I'm divulging all of the secrets to fingerspelling in American Sign Language, so subscribe to Sign with Courtney.